अगर आप 5 गंजेटियों के साथ बैठे ना, तो your purpose in life will be how do you drug yourself.
Meraj Faheem, an interim CEO of TGIC and also the founder of EdVenture Park. EdVenture Park is an incubation center that focuses on student entrepreneurship. In the last 4 years, under the mentorship of Meraj Faheem, EdVenture Park has incubated over 250 student startups, collectively generating 4 crores in revenue. Imagine students making money. How cool is that? Meraj Faheem envisioned that at least one guy in a family should be capable enough to turn ideas into products and make a business out of it.
घर में एक तो भी ऐसा बंदा रहता who should have the ability to convert ideas to products.
In this podcast, you will get to know about his life beyond the camera. So, tighten your seatbelts. Let's get started. How does your morning routine look like? कैसे start करते हैं?
So usually I wake up at 7ish. The first thing that I do, check my email, check my WhatsApp for any urgent things that needs to be taken care of. Once I'm done with my email and WhatsApp, it usually takes about 20-30 minutes. After that, I get back to my, it's usually the family time. So until 9, I mean, most of you know I recently joined the government. So by 9 I leave for office and I'm in office by 9. Second half is where EVP usually comes in, right? So now a lot of people ask why you don't do EVP in the morning, why, in the afternoon. So the reason for this is not because, EVP is second priority, but because since we deal with student entrepreneurs, most of the students are usually, especially my founders, are usually in college until 3 p.m. exactly, right, or 4 p.m. So they get done with their college by 3 or 4, and that's when it would make sense for me to be available, right? I cannot tell them, hey, I'm available in the morning, so quit your college and come to me. And that's why this is how the day is divided.
I was expecting that you would add about skincare. एक बार आप discuss कर रहे थे कि skincare के लिए ऐसा करना, तो I was expecting that. What is the reason behind that glowing skin?
I don't know what you're talking about because there is no routine, there is no care, right? Although I'm not very proud of that thing, I think we should definitely, take care of every faculty of our body that God has blessed us with, and it's very important for us to do that. But I am guilty of not doing it, so I do nothing. I use whatever soap is available, I use whatever face wash is available in the washroom at that moment in time. I wash my face once a day. That's about it. But if I were to do things to take care of my skin, so one very proactive thing that I do to take care of especially my skin, if you would say, is I try to avoid oily food. मेरे को उससे काफ़ी पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम है, तो बस वो एक चीज़, that's one thing that I do. I wish I could drink a lot of water. I want to, but वो usually होता नहीं.
छोटी सी भी डिसीजन लेना है तो लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा एनालिसिस पैरालिसिस हो जाते हैं. सो जो विजन करे थे आप एडवेंचर पार्क को, यू मूविंग ऑन फ्रॉम एडवेंचर पार्क टू द गवर्नमेंट पार्ट, कैसा लिया आप वो डिसीजन? और इतना एग्जैक्टली आसान तो नहीं था.
नहीं, मुश्किल बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. And this is something that we all need to understand, right? And a lot of people think it's a very difficult decision to make and all of that. No, it's not. And this is not the first time that I'm doing this in my life, right? So when I started Adventure Park, I took the conscious decision of moving away from an executive role at the hacking school, which is my bread and butter, by the way, to Adventure Park, which technically doesn't pay me anything, right? So that is a huge jump. Another very difficult or very important decision that I probably have taken. Was moving out of Google, right? So that was one of the most difficult decisions that again people would think that I might have taken, but it did not feel difficult. Leadership का सिर्फ एक तकाज़ा है, and that is making decision. Making decision is easy, but making decision fast is not. Right? So everything. So it's like you are a doctor, and you have to understand that the more time you decide on what your course of treatment should look like can take the life of your patient, right? And that's the most important thing that you need to keep in your mind when you're deciding. But if you have your data points in your hand well in advance, it becomes really easy for you to decide. And मेरे लिए हमेशा वो आसान इसीलिए था क्योंकि I always had my eyes on my purpose. right? And Alhamdulillah, my purpose kept on getting bigger and bigger, right? Google mein whatever used to happen used to impact only me. The hacking school mein whatever we did impacted, you know, hundreds and thousands of people in last 11 years, right? The purpose got bigger, right? And then the hacking school se Adventure Park mein jab hum log aaye, more than 10,000 people that we are talking about, right? That we sensitized about entrepreneurship and innovation and, you know, building that culture of entrepreneurship, right? We changed the conversation in, you know, tier 2 middle class families जिसका only goal था बाहर जाना. The purpose kept getting bigger. So now if an opportunity comes to me and it tells me कि hey, what you're going to do is going to impact more people and do better for them, boom, I'm in. You're getting my point?
Yeah, I'm getting
So with the government, what I'm doing is what I used to do at Adventure Park, but at a larger scale. And that's exactly why the decision making was very easy. You're getting my point? My whole purpose of you know, explaining this in detail is so that you get to understand how decisions are made. You fix your goal and purpose, right? And then when you start evaluating if this is going to deliver on your purpose more and better, boom, you don't have to think twice. You won't take a lot of time for you to decide.
So me as a 21-year-old is getting hard to fix my purpose. So what do you suggest?
That's okay. And since you're 21, biggest unfair advantage that you have that I don't have is age. I'm not 21-year-old, right? And that's my biggest disadvantage. What that actually means is you have the luxury of time at your hand, right? For you to decide your purpose. Do not be in a hurry for you to decide your purpose. Take a little bit of, you know, good time to decide your purpose, and do not let any random Tom, Dick and Harry influence that decision making process. But once you have decided your purpose, what your objective is, what's that one thing that you want to chase in your life, do not let anybody come and influence you to move out of it. Right? It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be, you know, something that you will find a lot of support for. It won't make sense to a lot of people. But what is important is it should make sense to you, right? You answer, why am I doing this for yourself? And if you are convinced, nobody in this world has to be convinced. You're getting my point? But is that an easy question to answer? No, it's not. It might take a little bit of time. It took me 6 years of my life.
Oh.
Right?
So do we have any practical ways to define our purpose?
No, it's intrinsic, right? It starts here. It starts from your gut, right? What's that one thing that you feel naturally for? What's that one thing that you, you know, think about when you're sleeping? What's that one thing that you can't spend a day without doing, right? It starts from there. And then you put your mind to what your heart wants, and then the world will follow you. You're getting my point? So answer that why. Why am I doing this?
Process of you getting to the purpose. कैसा कैसा आप कौन से situations and emotions से गुजरे to get that purpose जो अभी आपका है.
See, life puts you through a lot of things to show you the direction to your destination. Okay? ये जो हालात से हम लोग गुजरते हैं ना, वो गुजरना इसीलिए है ताकि आप वहाँ पे पहुँचो जहाँ पे आपको होना चाहिए. And that is the most important thing, right? But usually क्या होता, काफ़ी सारे लोग हालात से हार जाते हैं, right? They give up to the circumstances, and I'm not saying it's easy to stand, you know, in the face of challenges. It's not. But that's exactly what decides, right? Survival of the fittest. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. That is something that we have to understand, and that is something that we have to, you know, constantly practice mentally, consciously, to make sure that we are qualifying ourselves for that bigger opportunity. If we are saying कि hey, ये बहुत मुश्किल है, ऐसा नहीं हो रहा, मैं संडे को लगाया था, ट्यूसडे तक मैं सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ, तो वो, you know, your expectation setting is wrong. And the short answer to your question is life puts you through those exact things where you need to be, right? That is what will tell you what your purpose needs to be. But a lot of this is contributed by your first degree network, the kind of people you sit with. अगर आप 5 गंजेटियों के साथ बैठे ना, तो your purpose in life will be how do you drug yourself, right? Where do you source your drug from and stuff like that. You getting my point? But if you spend that time with, you know, idea people, you will talk about ideas. You will talk about what's going to be the next big thing. What do I need to learn to become to tap into that opportunity and become the next big thing, so on and so forth. So if you are having confusion identifying your purpose, then please change your first degree network. आप गलत लोगों के साथ उठ रहे बैठ रहे, इसलिए मे बी आपको पर्पस आपका नहीं मिल रहा. ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है. इट हेल्प्ड मी, राइट.
सो एलियर बिफोर सर, जब मेरे को एडवेंचर पार्क क्या है मालूम भी नहीं था, 3-4 साल पुरानी बात है, जब मैं हैदराबाद में भी नहीं था, तो आई यूज़ टू मैनिफेस्ट कि मेरे ऐसे डिग्री रहना, मेरी फर्स्ट डिग्री ऐसी रहना जो कि गोल्स के बारे में बात करे, कैसा इंप्रूव करना, सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट के बारे में बात करे. तो इट वाज वेरी हार्ड, बहुत हार्ड. लाइक मैं कॉलेज में आया, कॉलेज में भी सब कोई भी गोल्स के बारे में क्या बनना है नहीं मालूम उन लोगों को, बस आ रहे क्लास में बैठ रहे, अटेंडेंस ले रहे, चले जा रहे. सो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बाय एडवेंचर पार्क मेरे अभी ऐसे डिग्री नेटवर्क है जो कि हैदराबाद के बेस्ट क्रिएटर्स, बेस्ट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को मैं रीच आउट हो सकता हूँ पॉडकास्ट के लिए. जैसा आप जो विजन करे थे, वो विजन मेरे लिए हेल्प बहुत ज़्यादा करा टू गेट दैट फर्स्ट डिग्री नेटवर्क.
आई एम सो ग्लैड टू हियर दिस, क्योंकि एडवेंचर पार्क का एक ही पर्पस था. देखिए, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज़ अ प्रिविलेज, ठीक है. नॉट एवरीबडी कैन स्टार्ट अप. ओके, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप अगर स्टार्ट करना बोले तो, आई मीन इफ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, स्टार्टअप अगर स्टार्ट करना बोले तो यू नीड टू गो थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस, राइट. राइट फ्रॉम आइडेंटिफाइंग द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी से लेके फंडिंग तक, यू नो, पार्टनरशिप्स तक. बिजनेस आपको ऐसे नहीं मिल जाता. आप जाके भाई आई विल डू दिस फॉर यू बोल के अगर आप बोले, फ्री में भी अगर करना चाह रहे हैं ना, पीपल विल थिंक ट्वाइस कि विल यू एक्चुअली डिलीवर ऑन योर प्रॉमिस और नॉट. ऑल ऑफ अस कम फ्रॉम मिडिल क्लास फैमिलीज, correct, and the biggest challenge of a middle class family is our livelihood, right. अपन अपनी रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी में इतना मसरूफ़ है, इतना लॉस्ट है कि दुनिया कहाँ जा रही है और दुनिया में क्या हो रहा का अंदाज़ा नहीं है हमारे को, राइट. एंड वी आर लूजिंग इट आउट ऑन दैट बिग टाइम. अपन अपने सिर्फ रोटी कपड़ा मकान के चक्कर में अपनी ज़िंदगी गुजर जा रही है, राइट. और अगर आप जाके उनको पूछो कि वाई डोंट यू डू समथिंग बिगर एंड बेटर, लाइक अरे भाई इससे फुर्सत नहीं मिल रही है, छोड़ा तो मैं फिर मेरे घर में खाना कहाँ से आता. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन दैट पीपल विल आस्क. और अगर कोई हिम्मत करके कर भी लिया तो अनदर चैलेंज दैट दे फेस इज द नो हाउ. They don't know how to get started. They don't know anybody in the community who they can take help with, so on and so forth. That's where Adventure Park comes into picture. We are telling you, you don't need to know anybody. Adventure Park will become your godfather. आपको जिससे भी कनेक्शन चाहिए, God willing, we will put you in touch with them, right? आप अगर मेरे पास आए तो मैं ये नहीं पूछता हूँ कि आपको कौन भेजे, आपके पास रेफरेंस लेटर है क्या, आपके पास रिकमेंडेशन लेटर है क्या. ये किसी को भी हम लोग ये कोई भी चीज़ें नहीं पूछते, right? Exactly. The only thing we look for is your sincerity, your seriousness, your discipline and your fire, right? आपके अंदर जितनी आग है उसमें हम लोग उतना और तेल डालते हैं, लेकिन आपको अंदर लेके आना पड़ता चिंगारी. वो चिंगारी लगाने का काम हम लोग नहीं करते, राइट. काफ़ी सारे लोग बोलते हैं भाई मेरा 18 साल का बेटा है, ज़रा उसको बोलो ना, उन्हें ये सब के बारे में सोच रहा ही नहीं. बोला सर दैट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट आई कैन डू, राइट. अगर हाँ उन्हें सोच रहा और कंफ्यूज है, दैट्स वेयर आई कम इनटू पिक्चर. वी फ्लेम योर फायर. हम लोग हवा देते हैं आपकी वो आंच को. तो लोगों में काफ़ी गलतफहमी क्या है, हम लोग ये नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि हम लोग नहीं कर सकते भाई. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट, राइट. It's not you, it's me. It's my inability to do that. We will be with you until the last. आप जब तक कोशिश कर रहे हैं, हम आपके साथ बराबर ठहर के कोशिश करेंगे.
Whenever you are saying all of this, I can relate to my story. कैसा मैं आके यहाँ पे.
And I'm hoping you're validating everything that I'm saying.
Exactly.
Right? Because we don't look for. I don't have to know you. In fact, जो हमारी core team है, Ilyas, for example, right? He's been with me for the past 4 years since day 1 of Adventure Park. I did not know him. He randomly bumped into me from one of the workshops that I was taking.
You are very good at expressing your thoughts and जो भी सोचते आप proper articulate कर सकते हैं. What's the reason behind it? What's the क्या बोलते हैं? What's the magic? What's the exercise behind articulating?
There's no magic, and I don't know why this is. I get this a lot, and Alhamdulillah. If people feel that way, but look, it comes from clarity of thought. If you're not confused about what you're doing, if you're not confused about what you're wanting, you will not be confused about expressing it. You're getting my point? It starts from here. अगर आप यहाँ पे confused है कि देखो, अब सामने अगर आपके मेन्यू आया, लेकिन आपके दिल में ऑलरेडी आप ठान लिए कि मेरे को बिरयानी खाना है, मेन्यू देखने का फायदा है ही नहीं. समझ रहे आप? मेन्यू देखने से आप और कंफ्यूज होने वाले. तो इसका मतलब ये है, अगर आपको आर्टिकुलेट करने में मुश्किल हो रही का मतलब ये है कि आपके दिमाग में बिरयानी के अलावा भी चीज़ें चल रही हैं. आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू नॉट बी कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट टू डू सो मेनी थिंग्स. मेरे को इतनी चीज़ें करने आता ही नहीं, राइट. मैं बेसिकली एक निकम्मा इंसान हूँ जिसको सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ करने आता है, वो है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और स्टार्टअप, राइट. तो अगर आप मेरे को आके दूसरी चीज़ें बोले तो मैं काफ़ी ह्यूमिलिटी के साथ आपको बोल दूँगी सॉरी, दिस इज़ नॉट माई फोर्टे एंड आई कैन नॉट हेल्प यू विद इट. अनदर एस्पेक्ट टू दिस इज आई एम अ हार्डकोर प्रैक्टिशनर. मतलब मैं सिर्फ वही चीज़ों के बारे में बात करता हूँ जो मैं खुद अपने हाथों से करा, इनसे सुन के उनसे सुन के मूवीज़ देख के आके what so usually what happens is I read a lot of books, right? I get a lot of inspiration from those books, but I go and I put everything that I learn from those books to practice, right? And then based on my understanding of those practices, I get back to you guys and talk about everything that I do, which is what makes me extremely clear about what I did and how it might work or it might not work, right? So practicing what you're speaking develops your thought process, develops your clarity. Right?
So do you meditate for getting clarity in your mind?
I wish I could meditate, but I have an extremely disturbed mind with respect to दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीज़ें चलते रहते हैं, right? For example, while I'm speaking with you, मेरे दिमाग में ये चल रहा है कि क्राउड का फ्लो सही होना है and drums लगे या नहीं लगे क्योंकि कचरा नहीं पड़ना है. So these are things that are running on back of my mind, right? So I have an extremely disturbed mind, but alhamdulillah, my namaz is getting better, able to disconnect with the world and connect with the superior authority. So it helps me recollect the whole thing. But long way to go, बहुत दूर हूँ, बहुत देर हो गई, but what he decides is what will happen, right? और मैं वहाँ पे आप मेरे को टेंशन लेते हुए देखते ही नहीं, right? मेरे को कभी आप टेंशन में नहीं देखते. मेरे को आप हमेशा, चाहे कितनी भी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम रहो, चाहे कितना भी बड़ा मसला रहो, हमें को आप अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमेशा सुकून में देखेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि I know he will not disappoint me. He will not disappoint me and he has never disappointed. I go out in the face of the world with his back. I'm a product of God's miracle, बोल सकते हैं. मेरी पूरी जर्नी, I did not do anything to qualify to be here, right? It was his mercy, it was his blessing, it was his plan. यहाँ तक हैं हम लोग, लेकिन मुझ में तो कोई बात नहीं. अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेराज, माशाल्लाह.
What's your vision with Code for India and Hacking School?
पहले के ज़माने में you can go and ask your dad and mom. तो पहले ये हुआ करता था कि घर में एक तो भी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर रहना, या फिर एक जना तो भी घर में से एक बंदा तो भी बाहर रहना, मिडल ईस्ट में, यूएस में, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. तो ये दिस यूज्ड टू बी द कल्चरल थिंग, दिस यूज्ड टू बी द माइंडसेट. नाउ what I want to do is introduce the same thing. I want one coder in every house, one builder in every house, right? घर में एक तो भी ऐसा बंदा रहना who should have the ability to convert ideas into products.
अभी just बोले आपकी people are ready to pay when you are giving the highest quality of
value.
The irony is why parents are ready to pay to the college lakhs of rupees. Why it is like that?
Because parents think colleges deliver value. But what we fail to understand is we forget that we expect college to only give us a degree. आप डिग्री के पैसे दे रहे हैं, आप स्किल्स के नहीं दे रहे. And that is what the college is giving you. And that's exactly the case with all the colleges right now.
So do you think this thing should change? घर में अब कॉलेज के वजह से कितने भी बोले तो एकदम.
Of course, 100%, right? But ये नहीं चेंज होने वाला है. काफ़ी टाइम लगने वाला है ये. लेकिन अगर आप एलीट फैमिलीज में देखें तो दिस हैज ऑलरेडी चेंज्ड. People are no more chasing degrees. They are not doing that because they now understand that college is not the only way to get skilled. College is not the only way to get what you are looking for. काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं कि I mean you are great at content creation and editing, right? But did you pick up this skill in the college?
Obviously not.
You did not. And you saw so many founders today. Go and ask which college gave them the skills, the ability or the confidence, to do what they're doing. Sooner than later, people will realize this and look for alternatives, which is where, we are the first ones to come to people's mind when we talk about coding. I'm grateful for that.
So this is the most common question. बहुत सारे लोग मेरे को भी पूछते हैं and मैं भी बहुत सारे लोगों को पूछता हूँ. And 90% of the people fail to answer this. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
The numbers that I have right now should grow 5 times. So in the last 5 years, we did 268 startups. 5 years down the line, I need to have 268 times 5. With the state authority and stuff, with that opportunity, I'm hopeful that we will be able to do more.
How do you keep yourself always being so humble? What's that thing that goes in your mind and what's the mindset behind it?
I know my weaknesses. And they keep me humble. They keep me grounded. Usually हमारे अंदर जो अना है, जो arrogance है, कहाँ से आती?
ज़्यादा चीज़ें.
From the confidence that we can do. From the confidence that we know.
From the confidence that we have everything.
Yes. Right? तो मेरा जहन वो चीज़ों पे जाता ही नहीं. मेरा जहन हमेशा वो चीज़ों पे जाता जो मेरे पास नहीं है, जो मेरे को नहीं मालूम है और जो आपको मालूम है. Which is why you will always find me respectful. Which is why you will always find me humble. So yeah, that keeps me grounded because I know there are a zillion things that I don't know. There are a zillion things that I can't do. There are a zillion weaknesses within me. As simple as that. गलतियों का घड़ा हूँ मैं. समझ रहे हो? वो भी भरा हुआ घड़ा. Overflow हो रहा है.
I always saw your shayaris on Twitter and Instagram stories. किस बेसिस पे लिखते हैं आप? Like आपकी ब्रांडिंग पे कुछ इफेक्ट होता क्या इससे?
I don't know branding पे कैसा इफेक्ट होता, but I think I'm a very hard thinker, right? सोचता हूँ बहुत मैं और वो बस हो जाता. मेरे पास कभी सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं हुए. यूजुअली शायरी एक सब्जेक्ट के अराउंड लिखी जाती, बट मेरे साथ ये हुआ नहीं. तो मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया कि लोग इंसान के अराउंड लिखते या फिर चांद के अराउंड, सूरज के अराउंड लिखते हैं, विच इज़ ग्रेट. मेरे पास वो टैलेंट नहीं है.
आप किसके अराउंड लिखते सर ज़्यादा?
मेरे दिमाग में जो चलते रहता सिनेरियोज उसके अराउंड लिख देता हूँ मैं बस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट लाइन्स, राइट, दिस इज़ फ्रॉम माई शायरी दैट आई कॉल दिखावा, राइट. उसके लास्ट के 2 लाइन्स है, वो ना मिला तो खुदा याद आया, खुदा ना खास्ता अगर मिल जाता तो. सो बेसिकली द होल पॉइंट वाज वी फॉरगेट गॉड व्हेन वी आर हैप्पी.
What would you do if you have everything that the world has to offer?
I'm doing this because I want to do this. I'm not doing this because I can't do anything else. Alhamdulillah, there are 100 other things that I can be doing right now, this given point in time.
Maybe this is the reason, right? This is the thing that makes you happy.
This is what makes me happy. This is what I chose to work on. So even if you would give me all the resources in the world, I would put those resources to do what I'm doing right now. I would not change this. I would not change what I'm doing. Alhamdulillah, for this opportunity, for this thing that I have in my hand that gives me sukoon, that gives me peace, that gives me happiness, makes my life meaningful.
How do you manage your money? How is your relationship with money? Like hardcore जो भी पसंद है खरीद लेते हैं या फिर प्रीमियम चीज़ में ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च कर देते हैं?
I'm very bad with money.
Oh.
Very bad with money. I have seen zeros in my life very often. मतलब if I had X amount in my bank, it came down to zero like multiple times, right? 3-4 times. So I'm very, very bad with money. I don't know how to manage money. I don't know how to, increase, my wealth. But what I know is I would never want to compromise on things that I would want to do for myself. So choosing a life, so I want to live a worthy life. What that means is I don't want to regret, I did not do something because, I wanted to save more money. Now, that also makes me a little bit responsible because I definitely want to give my family a comfortable life and not put them through tough times. Allah na kare kabhi ho. Just because, I'm a crazy-headed guy. As simple as that. So I'm trying to be responsible, but I'm very, very far from being, responsible about money.
So 10 years ago, आपकी खुद की लाइफ को कैसा इमेजिन करे थे and how it is now?
I am where I wanted to be, and more importantly, हाँ ठीक है थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया, but I'm happy. This is where I saw myself, and this is where I am.
Me being 21 years old, what would you advise me how to achieve your level in next 5 years?
I don't know what you mean when you say my level, but one very important thing that I will tell everybody, which is something that I did myself, is the fact that I continued to experiment until I found the love of my life. That one idea that I wanted to work on. So if you think this is the love of your life, then never give up on it. But if you don't think this is the love of your life, never stop looking for love of your life. When you find it, you will know that you want to spend the whole life working on that one thing. And that's how it works.
Let's end this podcast with your advice. So if you have anything to say to my audience, my audience is mostly audience is from 21 to 25 years old. So from Hyderabad. So what would you say to my audience?
You know what I say. Our time is limited. You think you have time, but you don't. You might think you're 21 years old and then अपनी ज़िंदगी पूरी पड़ी हुई है अपने सामने, नहीं है. You blink your eye and you are 31. You blink your eye and you are 41. So that's the biggest illusion that we are living in, right? We think we have time. We don't. We don't have time. So what we need to do right now is get serious about what we want to make out of our lives and make our parents proud, our community proud, our state and the country proud. Find that one thing that you want to spend the rest of your life working, and this is the time for you to do that, for all of us to do that. And that is the only thought that I would leave everybody. Believe in something and it will be. Believe it. Believe and it will be is my thing, right? And our time is limited.
Thank you so much for giving me your time.
Thank you so much for having
awesome.
me.
It was awesome to having you on Hyderabad Hustlers.
We are hustling. We are figuring it out.
Thank you.